Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add new currency in Wise. So if you also want to add new currency in Wise, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Wise application. Enter your passcode and you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. So in order to add the new currency, what you have to do is open the multi-currency account in Wise. For that, you'll need to get your identity verified. My identity is not verified right now, so I'll not be able to do it, but I'll guide you through what to do. When you open Wise application, you'll be led to home interface. Over there, you'll be able to see currency accounts. At the end of it, you'll be able to find the option for opening the new currency account. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you'll be led to another interface. You'll have to choose what kind of account that you want to open. You'll be able to see two options over there, balance and jar. Tap on the option of your choice. In order to add the new currency, what you have to do is tap on the balance option. After that, you'll be led to another interface. In that interface, you'll have to choose the currency. Simply tap on the currency of your choice. And that's it. Your currency account has been created and that currency has been added. Now you can perform various actions with that currency. You can add, convert, send and receive. Perform any action of your choice. So that is how you add new currency on Wise. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.